happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh, I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh, well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. So hard when you're far away. It's lame, but I forgot the date. I won't make the same mistake. I'm so to blame. So now you know. Don't hang up the phone. I wish I was at home. I know it's way too late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh, I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh, well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. It's not that I don't care. You know I'll make it up to you. If I could.
Huwag kang magreklamo kung madalian ito, okay? At least may birthday gift kami sa'yo. And, by the way, we have sa covered photos girls, which is absent yung dalawa at ako lang ang bida ngayon. Good luck sa inyo. We wish you a very, very happy birthday. And sana magustuhan mo ang surprise birthday gift namin for you dahil long distance ito, Neng. Okay? International, bongacious, ever done. Okay? So kailangan i-appreciate mo. At dahil wala dito ang dalawang ito, ako lang talaga ang cute sa video. Okay? Walang magreklamo kahit hindi ko birthday ngayon, nagpagupit pa rin ako ng monks for you. Okay pa? Prettiness ako sa video. Happy birthday! Congratulations! Dahil gumraduate ka na sa kalendaryo. Peace! Okay, happy birthday! Alalahanin, this is from the covered photos girls. Okay? Jinky, Joanne, and of course, ang babae sa video, Maven. Bye! Happy birthday, girl!
Happy birthday, baby! I love you! Mwah. All the best, baby, for your birthday. Ingat po dyan parate. I love you. Don't worry, baby. Dito lang ako parate for you, okay? And I know you'll be always there for me. Love you, baby. Ingat po parate. Bye!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
I know it's kinda